Hey guys, Heather with Injected Motorsports. We're going to be reviewing on the install and the product review over this Truxedo Sentry CT roll-up cover. It's a half hard cover, it's hard on the bottom, and on top is the tough canvas material. This is a very good cover. We'll get into it and hope you guys like it. Thanks. All right, here we are with the Sentry CT tonneau cover from Truxedo on a 2015 Ford F250 Powerstroke. It will fit the 08 to 16 trucks. This is the regular bed, I'm sorry, not the long bed. They do have one for the long bed. I'll give you a quick tutorial and rundown here. It's a very nice cover. It is very tough, matte finish, thick cover with the aluminum slides underneath, so it is aluminum. Under here, it will have right there, pull this back, it will start to slide, or roll up, I'm sorry. Pretty much, you can start rolling it. We'll roll it back here. You can roll it tighter. I just show you really quick here. All right, it's a very simple design. After you do it, actually a couple, you can probably do them in 15 minutes. This one, you do it the first time, just kind of take a tutorial. It's probably closer to 30. Anyways, you'll start here in the middle, get your clamp set, hold the rail up. It'll be flush on the inside here. Got your Velcro track here, all the way to your rubber bumper. Underneath it has the grooves. You can see the clamps also have the grooves. As you can see here, we always go to the top. So you get your middle one tight, and then, or halfway tight, and then tighten the rest of them down. It will come with the rubber, or the sticky seal rubber up in here. These slide. There's a bolt with the hole in it. You'll see in the rail. You'll stick the cover on, stick the hole through, the little bolt hole, Allen head. That will slide over. On very rare instances, if it's not sticking out far enough, you can actually undo that Allen head bolt just a little bit, within usually a 1/4 inch or less, probably closer to 1/8. But you can see here, very well made, constructed, locks it in. Got the ties here, the tie downs with the hook. You'll actually see here in the back side. Like I said, I didn't roll it up very tight, but obviously you can roll it up tighter. Hook that in, and that's how you do your traveling with it. You have your rubber seal here, and then underneath you can see that foam pad that you put down. Sticky on one side. I clean it with alcohol and everything really good before you stick it. This even worked with the Rhino lined bed. It has the factory bed caps, so it will fit with all that. You can see it here. You can see that rubber underneath here. Very well constructed. Nice aluminum slats. Same thing on this side. Tighten them down. I believe it was a 1/2 inch socket. Very easy to do, not too bad. It's level here. The bed rail. When you're closing your tailgate for the first time, you'll actually close the tailgate first, and then you'll roll that down and over the top of the tailgate here. And I'll show you that. I'm gonna roll this back here. Make sure it's got a nice feel to it. So it's still getting broke in, so sometimes you'll have to make sure it's seated good, and it is. You got your seam set here. What I was referring to is if you leave it open and then try to close it, it will hit that. So you have to pick up on this or roll it back some and then close the tailgate. Overall, very impressed with it so far. It locks tight. It will lock with the tailgate, so if your tailgate's unlocked, obviously you can still get under cover. But when you lock your tailgate, it locks it all in the systems right here, latches. Stuff is secure and dry. For any questions, just give us a call. But like I said, very impressive cover, very sleek design. If you like the more of a roll-up style, it gives you full access to the bed, full access to a toolbox, which we will be putting in a box. As long as it sits below the rail line, it will fit, and you can open it completely. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Let us know what you think.